What's going on, everyone? Thanks for tuning in and happy Thursday. Today is October 29th, and on this post, we're going to be talking about Orchid, OXT, USD, if I'm currently bullish, bearish, and what my short-term price prediction is according to what I'm seeing in the markets and the charts. Now, before we begin, please do read my disclaimer below, as I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. I am not here to tell you the future. If you're simply looking for someone to tell you the future, I am not your guy and you should probably skip this video. I am purely sharing my speculations and opinions with us who wants to get better in technical analysis, so you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market. Now, if you guys do want to support me and don't already have a WeBull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link below. They are still giving away 3 free stocks upon successful sign up and a qualifying deposit, and I will also receive bonus stocks upon your successful sign up, so I would truly appreciate that. Now, if you guys do have any questions or comments, please only leave them in the comment section below, as I would not get to all the messages in my inbox. Now, if you guys are watching this on YouTube, do subscribe. If you guys are watching this on TradingView, do follow me, as I will keep you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list. Now, let's begin and take a look at what's been happening with Orchid, OXT, USD. On the weekly chart, I think I see the most clear picture of the downtrend that has been going on with OXT since it had reached its all-time highs at about $1, and now it has just been trending downwards, and we are currently at about 0.22, and I see a falling wedge pattern that has formed on the weekly charts. Now, falling wedge patterns have a 68% chance of breaking upwards, and if that is the case, I do have a measure target at about 0.67, which is basically the measurement of the opening of the pattern, and then you add it to your expected breakout point, which I will have it here at the tip of the falling wedge, if that indeed is the breakout point. Now, that is an assumption, so please do take that with a grain of salt. And also note that the measured target may or may not be reached. That is only theory. Okay, so it may not reach 0.67, but that is only theory that it does, because you take the opening distance of the pattern and you add it to the apex, and that usually gives you your measured target. Now, that is the bullish case scenario. Okay, if it breaks upwards, which it has a 68% chance of breaking upwards. Now let's talk about the downside. Okay, if the price action continues to go downwards, we are going to start seeing we're gonna check the next levels of support. Okay, so we are at about 0.22. That is the level of support that we are seeing right now. As you guys can see, the dotted line right here, that is where most price action have been rejected before, and since that was the previous resistance, that is now the support. If this support of about 0.22 actually breaks down, I would be looking for the next level of support where I'm getting a good amount of wicks that I'm seeing had been trying to break above, which would be about 0.197, so about the 0.20 level. If that also breaks, the next level of support would be 0.15. Okay, so those are the levels I want to be keeping an eye out on, okay, in case this pattern does not successfully break upwards. Those are going to be the next levels of support that the price action can bounce off of, okay? Now, let's talk about some of the factors that could affect if we are in a bullish case or a bearish case. One thing I've been keeping an eye out on is Bitcoin dominance, as Bitcoin dominance can affect altcoin trading in general, okay? In general. And that's because I have actually explained this in a video before. I would leave the link in the top right section above here. You guys can take a look if you guys are interested, where I'm explaining how Bitcoin dominance can affect altcoin trading in general, okay? So Bitcoin dominance is actually trending upwards right now, which is bad in general for altcoins. If we want to see some amazing altcoin runs, I would not expect to see that when Bitcoin dominance is trending up. Now, nothing is absolute. I'm just talking about probability-wise, okay? If I want to trade some amazing altcoin setups, I would like to see Bitcoin dominance trending down. That is where I would get the more probability of altcoins actually doing some amazing price action upwards, okay? So that is something I'm keeping an eye out on. It's still trending up right now at about 63.5. But if you guys take a look at the Bitcoin dominance charts on the monthly time frame, and you guys will see that the price action in Bitcoin dominance is actually right at the monthly 21 simple moving average and the monthly 50 simple moving average. Okay, so there is an opportunity. There is a chance that the price action there may get rejected and start trending downwards. There is a chance. Okay, nothing is absolute here. But if that does happen, that would be a good signal that these altcoins may start doing better. So these are the key points I'll be looking for in terms of being bullish, bearish on Orchid. Please do give me a thumbs up if you guys did find this video helpful. Leave me your feedback. If you guys have any agreements, disagreements, I would love to know them. And I hope you guys have a great day and manage your risk carefully.